In addition to the element, ID, and class selector, there are a number of other selectors that jQuery supports. We'll go through a few in this lesson. For a more comprehensive list, check the file in the Downloads folder corresponding to this lecture. We can apply an action to all the elements in an HTML document using the asterisk. If we save the file and preview this in our web browser, you'll notice that when we click the Hide button, it hides all the elements. We can also apply an action to the current HTML element by using the This selector. And in this case, the current element would be the button itself. So if we refresh the web browser and click Hide, the Hide button disappears. We can select all button elements using the Button selector. And if we click Hide, again the button disappears. So as you can see, changing the selector is fairly easy, and there's many different options. So do check the file in the Downloads folder for a more comprehensive list.